So I got my new hood hold down straps, which go on here, and they get pop riveted into this. You can kind of see how it's a little tough there. That one isn't too much longer for this world. But they, I need to take this strip off and build a new, I should have a bracket like this back here, and that one's broken off, so I need a new strip there anyhow. But these bolts come off, those bolts, I'll be able to lift this strip out and get to the pop rivets and drill out those pop rivets and put in a couple new ones and replace those. This one on this side is totally gone, and similar case there. You just need to get this piece out and put the new one in and rivet it in, and I'll have both my hood hold downs again. And I bought a tack. I'm going to take this spot right here and pop a tachometer into there from a SST. The Astro did not come with a tack, but it's got all the plug-ins on the back there for the tack, so that's where I'm going to plug it in there, and we'll be good to go. Just took a look here and just had a little plastic cover there, and that snapped into the opening, so it's all set for the tack to be popped in there. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, there's pins down, way down on the bottom there where the tack goes. Gets plugged in. So we'll be in good shape. Hey folks, got the tachometer in there, and I fired it up, and it works just fine. Gives me my RPMs, and just have to screw the this gas console back on. So anyhow, that tachometer upgrade is a success. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and you'll get notified of all the little projects I got working on scattered around in here. You know, it's always something.